Hello and welcome to Bare Beauty Basics, and today I'm going to show you a makeup look using these pencils by Color Chemistry. The first color that I'm using is a concealer shade and it is called Prairie, and it is creamy matte finish, and it is non-toxic. It is very easy to blend if you are a beginner and you don't want messy products like liquids or any other texture. If you want something on the go, this is a very beautiful choice. I would highly recommend people who don't like fussy makeup, who want something which is easy to do, doesn't take much effort blending in. And there are a number of shades that they have in their concealers, and the next one that I'm using is Meadow, and this is a very close color match to my skin color. The previous one, Prairie, was slightly more orange and darker, which helped me to correct the darkness under my eyes, around my lips. And once I've done color correcting, I'm using this color Meadow to kind of bring some brightness, or add some overall consistency in color. For the blush, I'm using this color called Acai, and it's a very beautiful bright fuchsia pink color. It's absolutely gorgeous, stunning. It looks beautiful on the lips too, but today I'm using it as a blush. And to do this, I'm first blending my concealer shade, which is Meadow, and you can see how beautifully it blends in. Doesn't look patchy, doesn't exaggerate any fine lines, doesn't exaggerate any kind of texture on the skin. It's very it's very emollient is what I'm trying to say. It's very easy to blend, not at all drying. If you have dry skin, make sure that you prep your skin using a nice moisturizer, a sunscreen, and you are good to go to use these concealers. And you can also blend them with your fingers, but I prefer using a brush because that's what I prefer personally. But even with fingers, it blends in no time. And look how beautiful and easily this bright shade called Acai blends in. It gives such a beautiful flush on the cheeks. It is such a unique, beautiful, bright color, and I absolutely adore some of the colors that they have as lip or cheek colors, and this is absolutely one of them. Once I am happy with my blending, I'm going to put a little more of the Meadow shade just to get a little bit of more highlight under my eyes, around the hollows that I have. And for contour, I'm using the shade called Tundra, and this is it's not exactly a contour color, but it is more of a bronzy color, but I'm okay using this. And I'm also using this to shape my nose, and you can see how little of product I used, and it gives a very beautiful pigment. The pigmentation is on point. It's not too much, it's not faint, but the best part about it is the ease of use. It's so easy, it's so practical to use, and that's what I love about them. I wish the pencil size was a little bigger. They are pretty small for the price, and I'm not sure how long they are going to last because they need sharpening. Okay, so you will end up wasting a lot of product when you sharpen these pencils. But overall, the texture, I'm in absolute love with the texture of all these pencils. It's kind of so obsessing because it's so easy to get a full face of makeup by using these a bunch of pencils. This is a kajal pencil in the color Dune, and it is a nude eye pencil color, but it is a very multi-purpose pencil. I use it to line my waterline, my lower waterline, and it gives me a wide-eyed look. It opens up my eyes because using a nude pencil opens up your eyes, and I also use as a highlight on the bridge of my nose. You can use over your Cupid's bow, and you can easily give some dimension. You know, it's strategically, if you use this pencil, you can do so much with it. They don't have brow products, so I'm using my Benefit products to do my brows. And for my lips, I'm going to go with this color called Bloom. It's such a beautiful berry toned color. It has the perfect blend of pinks, browns. It has some mauvish kind of a tone, but it's very, very earthy. You know, it's so beautiful. It is going to complement so many skin tones, Indian skin tones, and it can be a very beautiful nude color for a lot of skin tones. To give it a two-toned effect, I'm going to use a darker color that is called Nectarine, and just do the center of my lips, just to add a little bit of dimension, just to make the center a little bit more dark and deep. And this is a very beautiful pink toned red, and this is absolutely gorgeous. I love how the lip combo turned up. And this is the finished look. I am just going to add a little bit of tundra on my, in the crease of my eyes, just to give them a little bit of dimension. I don't have a shadow by them, so I'm just using it on my eyes, and that's it. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, follow my Instagram, and I will see you soon with another video very soon. Till then, enjoy makeup, have fun, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.